In this video, I want to look at adding fractions with unlike denominators. Let's consider something like 5 over 6 plus 3 over 4. So here I have my one whole, and I've broken it up into sixths and fourths, and I want 5/6 and 3/4. So I want to take 5 pieces of 1/6 and 3 pieces of 1/4. However, these parts are different sizes, so it's really hard to add them together and think about how many we have. So instead, we need to break these sixths and fourths up into like parts, something that they share that would make this easier to add together. So we can see that we can break up the 1/6 and the 1/4 into 1/12 pieces. You can see 2 of these pieces makes one piece up in the 1/6, 3 of them makes up 1/4. So now I can think of adding them a little more easily. So when we add 5/6 and 3/4, we can now see how many total twelfths we have. And here we have a total of 19. Like I said, they're each broken down into twelfths. So what this corresponds to, we rewrote 5 over 6. Instead of 5 pieces of each 1/6, we can see we had a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces that were each 1/12. Instead of 3/4, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces that were each 1/12. And that would also give us 19 out of 12. A lot of times we think of rewriting this. We know the common denominator is 12, so we multiply both the top and the bottom of 5 over 6 by 2 to get 10 over 12. And that corresponds to taking each one of these 1/6 piece and using 2 1/12 pieces to represent it. For 3/4, to get to a denominator of 12, we would need to multiply by 3. That would give me 9 over 12. And this corresponds to the fact that each one of these 1/4 pieces got broken up into 3 pieces of size 1/12. So this is why we need common denominators. And the least common denominator gives us the largest pieces that we can use here, but we didn't have to use 12. We could have used 24 or 36 or some other common denominator. As long as we break the pieces up into the same units, it will work.